Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Ned from Nev's Tech Bits, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet, and today I want to talk about TradeOgre being down. Now, this is really surprising. Haven't seen this coming. TradeOgre's been up for quite a while. I've used it for multiple trades. I'm not particularly happy with how much you have to pay in order to transfer stuff out. Probably have about $50 worth of Bitcoin sitting in there. I want to change over. I want to get my last bunch of Varus coin in order to convert to Bitcoin and then send to my Coinbase account. But I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do it anymore. TradeOgre is down. It's been down for about 2, 3 days now. It went down on July 30th, and it has no signs of reappearing or coming back up yet. And I have no idea what's going on with that. Nobody's getting any information from support. Nobody has heard anything. Nobody knows exactly where it came from. Within the Reddits, people are saying that TradeOgre is from Russia. Some people are saying TradeOgre is from America. But the one thing's for sure is decentralized, and if this thing goes, there's no protection for any of us. They're known to have a decent amount of money. I forget how much off the top of my head. But this was the exchange that I had to go to if I wanted to change Varus coin into Bitcoin. This could be an exit scam. Nobody knows. Everybody's hoping this is going to come back online, but nobody is getting any information from support, from Twitter, from anywhere. So it looks like it's going to be an exit scam. Possibly. Possibly. Um, no money has been moved, though. That's very important. No money's been moved anywhere. And that's important because you know that nobody's messing around with too much. But still, TradeOgre. I don't like that title. I really don't like that title. I also don't like the title Monero, or the M like Mephisto. But I'm really stretching it there, right? Right. But still, TradeOgre's been around for so freaking long. Looks like the trading volume in the last 24 hours is about. Wait, it's been down 24 hours. Anyways, CoinMarketCap says that it's about $4 million. So some people have some money in there. Some people got a bit of money. I'm wondering if it's maybe a few unscrupulous actors. I don't know. I don't know. But I really hope it comes back because I myself have a little bit of coin in there. Don't have a lot, but still, nobody wants their coin to disappear, right? Right? So let's keep our fingers crossed. We'll see what happens. But so far, nobody's saying anything, which is concerning. But also, no money's been moved, which is the opposite of concerning. So let's watch and see what happens. Have a good one, folks. Take care of each other.